Hello, my name is SriCharan. I am from Singapore studying secondary 2 at Punggol Secondary School. I'm learning coding and robotics from Robotics School. I'm very interested to do robotics projects. Today I did the project RGB LED. In this project I used Arduino, RGB LED and breadboard. Eh, there are some things different in RGB LED compared to a normal LED. In RGB LED, we can get any sort of color using Arduino code, but this RGB LED has 4 pins: a red, green, blue, and anode. Using the analog write function in Arduino, we can generate any color showing here. Thank you.